Yo, what's good? Let me clean this first. It's good. It's good. So so there is this speaker which I'm failing to position it. Uh I'm trying to put it, somewhere where I can like get the sound, bro. Like, somewhere where I can get the sound when I'm making this beat. You know, I don't know, man. Yeah, but okay. Um, I have to put it somewhere where it can be like good. I can listen to it when I'm making beats. This one is not that big. It's not like a big speaker, but it tries. It tries to do the job. See, like there's a lot of wiring there. Don't mind this thing. Stitchy, so hard, bro. Um, as you can see, I tried to put it there. You can see. Try to put it there. No. Um. Also, I also got like some of the speakers trying to boost the sound. Don't mind the wiring there. Don't mind the wiring. Like, is this small little speakers that like make that big difference? You understand? Also, there's this big bigger speaker there. You know, but it's just beautiful, man. Look at it. Look at this speaker, man. I like it, man. I like it. It will make me a lot of beats this one and survive. Speakers don't expire, man. They're good. They last forever. I love speakers, and I want to say, invest in yourself, man. Buy the gear. Don't play, man. Don't sleep on gear. You understand? Buy the gear. Invest in yourself, and keep cooking, bro. Whatever they say, bro. Me, I know where I'm going. That's it, bro. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. West side, west side. West side, 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 what's up, what's up, what's up? West side, west side, west side, west side, what's up? It's never right to look down on me. Nicholas on this beat, yo. Yo. Get the drum kit, bro. If you want to make good trap beats, get the drum kit. You understand? Get the drum kits. The link is on my description. Every trap producer I know started by buying drum kits from other music producers. So, what are you waiting for? Get the drum kit, make the trap beats. Here we make trap. and hip hop. So everything is available on my description. You know what I'm saying, my broski. So to make good beat like this, let me play this beat for you, and then you will go and get the drum kit and make this type of beats for yourself. You understand? Shout out. In order to make a good beat, you need the right sound, the right drum kits. So I got good drum kits for this, bro. The only thing you have to do is to click the link on my description, get the good. Yeah, sure. So producers, let's talk a little bit. You understand? Um, I got a question. What makes a good beat? Beat makers, please tell me in the comment section what makes a good beat. What is it, man? Is it the 808? Is it the kick? Is it the snare? Is it the clap? Is it the hi-hats or whatever, man? You tell me, or the melody, the piano, the guitar, or the what makes a good beat, bro? You see? I don't understand, man. Like I don't understand. But according to my theosis, my theory, and my thesis, my hypothesis, according to my experience, I've noticed that a lot of music producers they missed one thing when they're making music, and it always comes down to the same thing for each and all of us. Simplicity is key, but we always keep it complex. Why do you want to add a bunch of a lot of sound clouding one another instead of just keeping it simple, bro? Like I swear, man, there are some of the beats which makes me dance, bruh. Some for some beats I feel like mm-mm. Skip, delete, trash. You understand? Cause I have to be real to myself, bro. I can't be enjoying cooking rubbish. You understand? And also posting rubbish to my community. It's demolishing. It's not good, bro. It's not okay. You understand? So you just have to keep it simple. Keep it simple. Always simple. Simple. That bill will tell you that no, you can't add anymore, or keep adding. But sometimes you add until you mess up. You understand? Less is more. And there are some of the beats where I got two patterns, the drums and the 808, and it's a hit. Some beat I keep on adding patterns, synthesizers, pad, you know all those a bunch of crap, man. I'm telling you, man. So you tell me in the comment section what makes a good beat. you know what makes a good beat? I want to know. Tell me, please. Tell me in the comment section what makes a good beat, bruh. I'm not gonna sleep tonight before you tell me what makes a good beat. Me, I already told you what makes a good beat. You also have to tell me what makes a good beat. Okay, I guess I should be checking the comment right now. I guess you told me. Let me check the comment and then we'll see. You understand? But anyways, keep making the speakers bang, bro. Bang, bang those speakers, man. Make the lot of noise. So for those who don't know yet, as a music producer, I believe on posting and evolving and growing, as a content creator and as an artist, because I'm going to drop a new single featuring Slacy and Rose Carter on all streaming platforms. I'm still setting up everything. So this is the first cover image which you have to choose from, and also there is this cover image you have to choose from. You tell me in the comment section which one is a little better and which one should I use on my upcoming single. And I will be very grateful and thankful if you participate on this. And I'm very much appreciative on the growth on the channel. Thank you guys, brothers and sisters, enemies and foes, and friends, and people who are music enthusiasts and gamers and programmers on this channel, and FS Studio mobile producers, and those people who are against FS Studio. Thank you.